Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have another toy unboxing or reviewing. And today we have Hatchimals Collectibles or Collectibles. And it's Hatch a Whole New World. And these are the little mini ones. I loved these. Again, I got these at the dollar store. These are from Dollarama and they're only $4. So if you find them at your Dollarama, that is a great deal. And there's 4 eggs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, plus a little Hatchimal character. And on the back, it has the list of all the ones that you can collect if you are collecting Hatchimals. So let's go ahead and we will rip right into this and get these open. So it's the first thing we have is our little collector guide. And there again are all of the little ones that you can collect on both sides and the Hatchimal land. Okay, let's get this open. There we go. We'll move this out of the way. And we have first thing, if we can pop him out of here, a little separate piece of plastic, is this little bear with wings. And he has cute little glitter wings. What a cute, cute little one. Nice teal color with purple. He is super cute. And now we have our eggs. Let's pop these open and get them out. And they're all different. If we look, this one has red spots, kind of reddish. This one, or I guess these 3 all have, nope, these 2 have teal, and this one has kind of a purpley blue spot. Can you see the difference in them? These 2 are the same. So they're all just slightly different. I'm excited. Oh, you can't hear anything. So let's go ahead and pop this guy open. 1, 2. Oh, are these the color changing ones? Let's do this. Oh, yes. These are the ones that you have to heat up until that heart changes color. See the difference when we're warming it up with our thumb? All right. Let's move him. Let's warm these guys up. And these are from season 1. So let's go ahead and, oh, it's starting to crack open. Well, these are quite hard if you have small hands. Let's warm them up again. That egg, that little heart is getting warmer. Yeah, there's the original. So it is getting warmer. When is it going to crack? Oh my goodness. You need a lot of patience if you're doing these. Let's try rolling them. Huh. Wow, these are stuck. Let's just use some brute force. No, I can't get it open. Oh my goodness. Well, so far I am not liking these. These are way too hard to get open. Let's move these and try just rolling them. Oh, there goes that one around. Oh, goodness gracious. There it goes. So make sure you're wearing glasses because when these things pop, they pop. And what do we have here? A little snail. Isn't that cute with little glitter wings right there? Now, I am not sure what you are supposed to do with these other than collect them. But let's move on to this one with the red. So again, we're just going to squeeze it and squeeze it. And I don't know, maybe there's an easier way. I guess these plastic things have to heat up, but that was kind of scary. Okay, we'll keep rolling them in our hands. Okay. Maybe this is the better thing to do outside. Okay, squeeze and squeeze. That little heart is showing that it's warmer, but this egg is not. There it goes. That one was better. And here we have a cute little pink monkey. And again, with little glitter wings. These are actually kind of cute. All right, we got 2 more. So far, we have no duplicates. What do we have on here? which one of these is our creation from. This little monkey here, that looks like it's from the jungle. Where are our other two? Because they are not on the jungle list. So each set apparently has some from each one. Okay, let's roll these, roll them. Let's get them all warmed up. There we go. That one cracked much easier. All right, and we have, oh, a little dolphin. And that's so cute. They all have just a little bit of glitter. Okay, are we ready for the last one? Let's get it opened up. And we'll start running and rubbing. It says, I guess I should have read the instructions. It actually says to hold it in your hands until it's ready to crack. There. Oh, we got a duplicate in the same pack. Two of the little dolphins. Well, I guess we got twinsies. There we go. So a monkey, a snail, a little koala bear, and two little dolphins. Which ones are your favorites? I'm thinking for $4 from the dollar store, this is a pretty good deal. See you next time, guys.